A tuto. Dobre, takže vítam vás u dnešného ďalšieho zápasu. Tentokrát by to už malo byť bez problémov. By ma už malo počuť lepšie, lebo som spravil niekoľko vecí, konkrétne v nastaveniach. Som ubral trošku divákov, aby ma bolo dobre rozumieť. No a my sa vrhneme do ďalšieho zápasu. Už nám tento turnaj Copa Nacional vrcholí. Takže ideme na to a dúfam, že sa vám to bude páčiť.
Feed him that ball as much as they can. Roma's line up for you.
Wojciech Szczesny starts in goal. Mohamed Salah starts. He was man of the match last time out. Edin Dzeko is the main striker today.
Edin Dzeko.
In the middle of the field. And Roma pushing forward on the attack.
Dzeko.
He's got his shot off now. Really well hit.
Pekná strela. Veľmi pekná strela.
Edin Dzeko. El Shaarawy. Strong challenge. And here's the shot. Good effort, very close.
Opäť pekná strela, len mi to opäť nevyšlo. Trošku si toto ešte pridáme.
Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch.
Moji superi sú nejakí rozbehnutí. Pozerám, že to máme našťastie.
Mohamed Salah. And here comes De Rossi. It's Roma attacking here. Nainggolan. You can see the deflection there.
A pekný zásah a budeme mať rohový kop. Som zvedavý, ako to teraz kopneme asi sem.
And he goes for goal with his head. They do play a lot of sport here, of course. The ground staff in the Olympic Stadium in Rome have to work really hard. They've got Roma and Lazio. Italy play national team games here from time to time. The Italian rugby team play here as well. It's a multi-purpose stadium with its running track too.
Yeah, it's extremely famous in Italy.
Sú to veľké emócie, bude to veľký turnaj.
Final here in 1990, 1-0 to Germany. Not the best contest in the world.
Turn pass.
Pravdu.
Switch on the attacking power in this situation.
A teraz mi hráč opäť zobral loptu. To mi nemal robiť, to sa nerobí.
Looked very good indeed, but the move was broken down. Daniele De Rossi. Mohamed Salah.
A pekne. A teraz to bude. A je to gól.
Fantastic start. Really quick off the blocks here. And they've given themselves a terrific boost for what lies ahead. That's a great breakaway. The counter-attack.
Krásny gól sme dali. Krásny gól, čo poviete? Páči sa vám?
that has opened the scoring. 1-0 here. Russell.
Opäť sa budeme snažiť útočiť, aby sme mali čo najlepšie skóre.
Well, they're in a good position here. Challenges for the ball. Well, they passed their way up into a good position here, and then just lost the concentration, lost the ball as well. Nainggolan! Splendid goal here.
Krásny gól. Teraz nám to tam opäť sype. Ďalšia pekná strela.
In truth, Alan, this is what we expected. The dominant side, and they're showing that on the
Pripomínam, že to hrám na amatérovi, takže nie je to vôbec ľahké, ako by sa mohlo na prvý pohľad zdať.
restarting at 2-0. Well, they're given the throw.
Ideme vyhádzovať.
Now stroke back. Kept the ball, he's just dinked it past an opponent. He's coming forward with some danger. Now here is a chance for them.
Som stlačil zlé tlačítko, to sa mi niekedy tak podarí, že stlačím zlé tlačítko, teda alebo opačné tlačítko, ako som mal pôvodne v pláne.
Edin Dzeko.
Edin Dzeko si asi bude dať gól. On trafil, mám taký pocit, že priamo do bloku.
Could be dangerous. Samako. This is an exercise in patience as they try to get an opening. Good play, but they've lost the ball now, and the opposition can get at them. Daniele De Rossi. They tried to keep it, but they haven't been able to do that.
Opäť som stratil loptu, ale som chcel vymysleť trošku niečo iné.
Kostas Manolas. Attacking well here. He's threaded the pass through neatly. Good tackle. Strong, powerful clearance.
Chcem sa trošku niečo iné. No.
And Roma pushing forward on the attack. Gonna try it. Dzeko. Goal. Off the post and in.
Pekný gól, myslím, že to dal Edin Dzeko, ale počkáme si na potvrdenie.
Goalkeeper almost got there, but it wasn't a strong enough touch.
Yeah, he's annoyed with himself, isn't he? Having got a touch on it, feels he should have done better.
Áno, je to Edin Dzeko. Takže sme opäť navýšili naše skóre 3-0. Veľmi dobre.
Now here's a chance. Came in with the challenge and the ball broke free. eye-catching football, really. It just got to a stage where they actually took the eye off the ball, literally, and they've lost the ball. It's Salah now. That's good support play from his teammates. And now the shot! And he's put it in for the goal.
A ďalší gól, a teraz neviem, kto to dal.
Well, scoring in any game is worthy of celebration. When you get two, it is special. And he is feeling that special delight at the moment. Let's see the replay now.
A to som len tak vystrelil, vyskúšal. A vidíte, padlo to opäť do superovej siete, takže na mňa to teší.
So they're looking for more at 4-0.
Už je to 4-0, takže
Russo.
bude to trošku taký menší výprask. Možno väčší, uvidíme.
And they've cut it out.
A to bol pekný faul, ale mohol by to aj rozhodca potrestať.
Here it is again. Nainggolan's second goal. And here's Dorossi. Good strong tackle.
Pekne mi to zobral, pekne, to sa musí uznať. A opäť sme získali loptu.
Roma on the attack.
Prebačte mi
Opportunity here.
Prebačte mi za to prepnutie.
Otherwise we'd have been talking about one of the goals of the season.
Well, they cut through the defence on the breakaway, and all it needed was a composed head at the end.
To sa mi iba zmenšila obrazovka trošku. Dala na menšie. Ale to preto, že tam ešte mi prišlo upozornenie z Facebooku.
Working hard just to see maybe a sight of goal. They've opened them up here. It's been a great performance from a team that's just not let up at all. And they've scored again. Two for him on the day, and two very well taken goals. And that's a goal well worth analysing again.
A opäť to bol Edin Dzeko, ktorý dal gól.
And the game underway again. Samako. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Edin Dzeko.
A opäť mohol ísť Edin Dzeko do útoku, ale
Edin Dzeko.
no dáme to iného.
Good position. They've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now. It's good play until they got that challenge in.
Teraz som to zle rozohráva. Superi sú poprvýkrát dlhšie pri lopte, teda majú dlhšie loptu. Ale opäť
Edin Dzeko.
Sa to podarilo.
Daniele De Rossi. He'll need to try and get the ball back now.
Opäť nám to.
First half in the quarter-final of this cup competition, and it should be enough to get them through into the semi-finals.
Well, as men against boys out there, I wasn't expecting it because these two teams on paper are evenly matched.
Takže máme po prvom polčase a celkom sa aj tešíme, vyhrávame 5-0 AS Rím, je to semifinálový zápas. Ku koncu si pozrieme aj nejaké ukážky z tohto zápasu. To si dáme také zhrnutie a pokiaľ by niekto chcel, aby som točil aj nejaké iné zápasy, tak kľudne mu povedzte, alebo niečo iné, nejakú inú hru, že by som proste nainštaloval. Môžeme to aj tak. Ináč bavia ma aj hry ma bavia, aj mám rád príjemnú spoločnosť.
And that's the third, the hat-trick. It's a day he'll never forget. Well, no wonder he's really away in a super celebration. To get a hat-trick is a fantastic experience, and he's just done that.
Well, having scored two, he was just so full of confidence, and he never looked like missing that chance.
Edin Dzeko si dal hat-trick v dnešnom zápase.
Well, the match a long time over here. 6-0 now. Oh, so back heel, easy on the eye, but rather easy to the opposition. Samarka. Here's a chance to move forward from midfield after that interception. Dzeko caught offside.
Bol to offside opäť Edina Dzeka. Ktorý nám a teraz ideme. Ešte dáme gól, nejaký ten gól.
Well, it was easy on the eye, but in the end pretty easy to defend against.
A poprvýkrát sú pri obťahovi superi a dokonca aj veľmi dobrá obrana. Veľmi dobrá obrana.
Roma on the attack. Good challenge here. This might be it. And he scores right into the bottom corner.
Ďalší gól, už teraz 7.
Well, he's doubled up here with his second goal, and he took it in excellent style, just like the first one. And you can see a slightly different viewpoint on it.
Toto ešte vo FIFA 17 u mňa nebolo na amatérovi, ale skúsim si to potom dať aj na inakšiu ťažnosť, ale nie je to také ľahké ozaj, to sa iba dá, že proste dať gól niekomu, nejakému superovi, až keď sú tie hry, tie FIFA alebo hokej, NHL, keď sú také vymakané.
I think they needed that to go in all truth, didn't they, to have any chance in this match?
To je proste...
Half an hour to go. It's with De Rossi. And Roma pushing forward on the attack. A couple of options for him from the free kick, whether to go for goal or put it to where his teammates.
A to bude žltá karta za ten faul, ja som si ho, priznám sa, ani nevšimol. No, ešte dobre, že teraz pán rozhodca zapískal, ale tak toto bol nechutný faul, lebo hodil sa pod nohy môjmu hráčovi a to je... tam prichádza aj riziko zranenia v tomto prípade. To asi riziko není. No, skúsime. Aha, dobre, a teraz neviem, kde to. Aha, to. Čakaj. Dobre, tak ideme to vyskúšať, kopneme. Čo to spraví?
And he shoots from the free kick. Well, a useful position for that free kick, Alan, but not quite the moment that...
Ale mám taký pocit, že to bolo na bránku. Áno, mám dobrý pocit. Bolo to na bránku, takže sa mi to nepodarilo dobre kopnúť. Tomto ešte prax nemám, sa priznám. Takže... Hej. To zobral tú loptu priamo z nohy. Tak som nemal šancu ani vystreliť.
Good defending. Edin Dzeko. El Shaarawy. There's some potential in this move. And here's the shot. Oh, well saved. Free kick against De Rossi. He has got the opportunity to change the tactics as well as the players with some movement from the bench.
Teraz je trošku taký útom zo strany mojich hráčov, ale už sa ideme koncentrovať na ďalší zápas.
Thomas Vermaelen giving the opposition a problem with their interpassing. Daniele De Rossi. When you think about football as a passing game, which it is, you think about players like him. And shoots! That's a good block. 20 minutes of the 90 still to play. Florenzi. It's with De Rossi. Attacking now. Strong challenge. And they passed their way up into a good position here. And then just lost the concentration, lost the ball as well.
Opäť sa snažíme získať loptu, lebo ju má na kopačke superový hráč. Teda. A myslím, že prvá strela do priestoru.
I see a substitute coming on for the away team here.
Prvá strela do priestoru bránky, konkrétne tej mojej.
Until that challenge.
Ale náš tým hrá z rozvahou. Niečo chce. Teraz takto vystrelí.
Roma's corner. There's been plenty of warming up going on, and now I think one of the substitutes will be brought into the game.
Vyskúšame kopnúť rohový kop. Tak aby to... No, dáme to tuto, možno sa o to niekto pobije.
Punched up. Free kick conceded by El Shaarawy.
Myslím, že to bol faul na brankára. Mám taký pocit. No.
It's a poor touch and the possession's gone away. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. Shot on! It's a fine strike, but not quite what he was hoping for.
Well, when he's hit it, I'm sure he would have thought that was going to bulge in the back of the net. Not quite though.
Pre mojich superov to bola škoda, ale pre mňa šťastie, že superov hráč netrafil tú loptu ako chcel pôvodne, takže som rád, že to takto dopadlo.
Kostas Manolas. Here comes De Rossi. Edin Dzeko. It's Roma attacking here. Got the tackle in.
Keby som bol teraz vystrelil, keby sa mi to teraz podarilo, teda už by volal, už by som mal víťazstvo na...
Mohamed Salah. Good football between these two. Nice passing. On the attack here. Good score! It's hit the post and in for a goal.
Tak a máme tu ďalší gól. Trošku sme orazitkovali a jednu tyčku a jedno brno.
Young to remember, Alan, but they used to have square goalposts and a lot more came out than went in those days. So for the attackers, that's a bonus of the change in the technology. In off the post.
Yeah, and I think he deserved that though because struck it well right into the corner.
Dal Alexander Florenzi dal ďalší gól a už to je 8-0, to už máme vyhraté.
Sometimes being favourite in a match can weigh heavily, expectation and all that. It's not a problem for this team, is it?
No, I think then.
And here's the shot. Oh, well saved. And they line up for the corner.
Pekná strela opäť. Brankár tentokrát dobre zakročil.
Into the attacking third. opportunity here. They're certainly not sitting back here, this team. A near miss as they look to extend their lead.
No i toto bola veľmi pekná strela, ale škoda, že sa neujala. Ale už máme tento zápas v každom prípade vyhratý. Už by sa musel stať neviem čo, aby
Read the play well to intercept.
to bolo niečo dramatické.
On the attack. And shoots! What a fine save. Coming up a corner.
A ďalší rohový kop, takže sme sa celkom rozstrielali. No a teraz, kde to má, toto dáme, tak to kopneme. Potom
But Marlon! Good jump, but couldn't keep it down.
Do you know what, Martin? That's a missed chance because he was in a great position there.
Potom Ačkom sa centruje a Dčkom sa strieľa. Teda ja to mám aspoň tak nastavené. Môžete si to dať potom ako vám je lepšie, teda ako sa vám lepšie hrá, mne takto takto vyhovuje.
It's looking good, this move. In comes the challenge.
Takto vyhovuje.
Mohamed Salah.
Mám taký pocit, že sa rysuje a nerysuje, dobre. Tak. Tentokrát má už.
Salah now. Well, there we go. A very one-sided affair in this match, and the referee.
No a vyhrali sme dnešný zápas, veľmi sa tomu teším, dúfam, že sa vám to páčilo, toto video, a pokiaľ sa vám páčilo, tak mi môžete dať like, poprípade koment, budem sa tešiť. A keby ste chceli nejaký zápas, aby som si zahral, tak mi kľudne napíšte, takisto do komentov. Vidíme tu vidíme tu aj niektoré akcie z tohto zápasu. Takže ja sa s vami týmto učím, a keď sa vám toto video bude páčiť, tak mi dajte kľudne like a budem sa tešiť opäť niekedy na budúce. Ahojte všetci.